Sorry. Is this the white rabbit? No, it's not. This is the white rabbit. Hello, panda. Love. Panda. Hi guys! So today is the 5th day of Ramadan. So Ramadan started on 18th of February. Today is Sunday. Our schedule at work is from 8 a.m. to 2:30. Flexible time ngayon pag Ramadan. This is what I like about Ramadan. Same as my colleagues. Gusto din namin kasi less ng 2 hours ang working time. Tapos kung may overtime, syempre paid na yun. Kita kami. Sinabi niya sa akin na nag-start na siya ng investment sa gold bars or gold coins. So, ang kinuha niya ay 24K na 10 grams. Congrats to you, love, kasi nag-start ka na. He got the inspiration actually from me. Nung sinabi ko that I saved 12,000 dirhams because 1,000 monthly for January to December, right? Which is a very good investment nga naman kasi ang rate ng gold ngayon ay mataas po. So, buksan natin saglit. Anything related to pink, I love it. And he knows it. Hindi ata dumating on time yun noon. Cute siya. Calvin Klein. Calvin Klein Euphoria. Smells sophisticated. Smells mayaman. At ang gusto ko dito, long lasting siya. Sabi niya. Naamoy daw niya yun kasi sa sa friend niya na bumili ng perfume. Thank you, love. I appreciate it so much. Lalo na kapag perfume. Wemark. This one, I love these crackers. So, ay parang eggnog sa atin. Ang mura lang pala niya. Uy, yung steam mo siya or condensed milk lang. I'm gonna try this. This is made in Thailand. Wow! Lastly, Chicha. Chicha Bakehouse. Ang cute naman. It smells good. Ang laki-laki sa picture. This cost already 20 dirhams. 16 pieces siya. Bite size. Okay. Cute sa picture. Chicha. Yeah, Chicha yung brand. Dubai Chewy Cookie. Okay. Yan na. I'm just gonna get one. Mabigat. I'm going to Dubai Mall for 2 things. Ayaw na mga lalaki na naghihintay sa shopping, diba? So, I'm gonna be on my own today. At para walang magbayad, ako lang. Kasi this is first part of my gift to self. Okay, this is the first time na nakahanap ako ng parking in less than 2 minutes. Andun lang yung entrance to the mall. I love it. So, yung mga ganap ko dito, naka-open pala siya. Parang gusto ko mag-retouch mo na, girl. Sa mga kinain natin kanina. So, dami ng dami na agad tao. 3 favorite Lippy products, lip products. Ay, naiwan si Mac. Ang nadala ko ay dalawang Arcadia. So Arcadia na lip blur, tsaka Arcadia na daily lip tint, at tsaka si Kiko Milano. Si Kiko Milano kasi meron pa siyang gloss dito. Quick retouch lang. Actually, isa sa hassle pag driver ka, kahit saan naman siguro, anywhere in the world, ay ang parking, besh. Dito, may bayad na rin dito. For 6 hours sa Dubai Mall, free. I'm gonna bring just one. Let me check also Chinatown. Yung pinapahanap ni Sisi kung nandun. So, alam nyo na ang ginagawa kapag drivers ay pipicturean mo yung parking number, right? So, my car is there. Aking lamplot. At ito na yung entrance sa mall. I love it. P3G. And my Sydney bag with me. This is my favorite mall ever. This time, hindi tayo pupunta ng gabi. Famous Golden Goose. Shoota yung presyuhan ng Golden Goose, girl. 2.5 pataas. What? Hinahawakan ko 3.5. Yung sumunod na simple na parang may dumi. 2.530 siya, oy. MCM coach. We're here at Daiso. Dahil hindi nakuha yung pang ears. I forgot the name of it. I'm gonna find it here. Right now. Nakita ko ito. Cozy yan. Kailangan may takip ang electric toothbrush. Chok-chok. Scissors. Cover ng toothbrush. Ito pala siya, ear pick. And like light up ear pick ba? I think we're good to go. So pumasok ako sa Apple Store and the guy beside me bibili ata ng AirPods. I wanted to buy a new one, the new version. Kaya lang sabi ni ate girl, magpa-appointment pa daw. So it's a sign. Huwag na tayong bumili, besh. I've been eyeing an iPod Pro tsaka AirPods. Ayaw nila magpabili for today's vlog. So, nakita lang natin si Burj Khalifa. It's a must for me to see it every time I visit. On cloud pero hindi cute ang designs, and it's already past 1 hour. Hindi ko mahanap si Longchamp and a good what is that? Good design on cloud. Girl, mahalang on cloud. It's almost 800. We'll see. This one is good. Dr. Althea. Wale yung famous matcha. Ang mahal for 10 pieces. Ang mahal, 25 dirhams, but hindi ko maalala yung sinabi ni ate girl na tinapay. So, hindi ko nahanap. At ang mahal. But we bought it anyway, just for once. Longchamp. 277 meters. 3 minutes lang daw. Eh, yung kahinaan mo ang direction. I love love. I need you here, love love. Ayun siya, girl. What? Longchamp. Nasa taas lang pala ng coach at ng apple. Okay. Kansha girl, ang daming choices. Should we get the brown? But not good with the green. Green one's cute as well. Only have these colors. 3. Cute yung green. This one is the winner. This one's cute. But hi! Ang cute! Kano ito? $6.99 na agad siya. Ang cute! Got the goods! I got it. Okay, show me. Take the escalator to the second floor. Sabi ni Love Love, enjoy. Girl, 2 hours na ako dito. Naglan natin yung laundry. Sira kami. Okay, na-damage tayo ng very light. And it's $839. But sabi natin na ayaw na natin ng pink. Hi, so pink color. Swiss engineering siya, girl. Shall we go with pink? Saan ba yung logo? Ayun. Cute color, safe color. Ito yung common eh, white. Okay, success. Wait lang. Background ay ice skating background. Okay, nag-succeed tayo, besh. Nabudol. At magkanong damages? We're so back, guys. It's almost 3 hours. Imagine pagkasama ko si Labi. Ano na lang, girl. Sinigawan na ako nito sa pagod. Eh, ang girls. No, we have to go shopping somewhere, sometime. I got the Longchamp, girl. I got the Longchamp. This is my first ever. Hindi ko to pinansin kay Ate Hazel eh. Hindi ko dinededma ko siya. Akala ko tsaka. Kasi yung ibang itsura niya, parang teeth, ngipin. But this one, I got it in sand color. Swiss engineering siya. It's made in Indonesia, but it's a Swiss brand. Oh, may extra pa, besh. Oh, wag ka dyan. May pa-extra si ate girl. May pa-extra si On Cloud. Ay, very good. Nice. Life is one big party when you're still young. But who's gonna have your back when it's all done? Can't be a fool, son. What about the long run? Girl, you're my friend and I've been baby.
Sunrise in our eyes, the night being